Welcome to our channel. Today to set up EV charging with your Emporia Energy Smart EVSE, start by unpacking your EVSE unit and its components. Ensure you have all necessary tools, including a screwdriver and any required screws. Locate a suitable installation location, ideally close to your electrical panel and the parking spot for your electric vehicle. If needed, install a dedicated circuit breaker for your EVSE. Next, mount the EVSE on the wall, ensuring it is securely attached and at the appropriate height. Connect the power supply wires to the terminals on the back of the EVSE following the manufacturer's wiring diagram. Double-check all connections for security and accuracy before proceeding. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker to supply electricity to your EVSE. Now, download and install the Emporia Energy app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Open the app and navigate to the Settings menu. Select the option to add a new device and choose EVSE from the list. Follow the app prompts to connect your EVSE to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, configure any desired settings for charging preferences within the app. You can adjust charge scheduling, set maximum charge levels, and monitor charging status from this interface. Test the EVSE by plugging in your electric vehicle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Complete the setup by reviewing any additional features and settings available in the app. Congratulations, your Emporia Energy Smart EVSE is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.